Look at all that pollen. I'll definitely be blowing that. I'm not gonna grab the broom. I'll be sneezing like crazy. It's already warm out here this morning, y'all. When we woke up, I always, like in the spring, you know, right now the wind's blowing and things keep falling in my head. These things keep hitting me in the head. Anyway, here lately, I've been turning the heat on before we go to bed at night so that it'll, you know, come on if it gets below 69 is what I've been putting it on. So I did that last night, and normally it does come on a time or two when it gets, you know, early in the morning. Not this morning. It was 72 in there. Today is supposed to be like a record high for May, I think. If I remember right, I was reading it yesterday. In 2004 was the last record high. It was 84 for May. It's supposed to be close to 90 today. Yeah, you can let that one out. We're letting the chickens and Miss Turkey out. They have a very nice shade over here. This tree has just grown out completely over the pen, so it's very nice and shady and cool for them. But I don't know if we're gonna move the pen when we get the other coop. So we've been letting the little chicks in there with the big chickens in the evenings when we put them up, and they're not mean to the chickens. Still don't like ducks, no. The little chickens though, they're fine with them, which is great. So they will be able to share the whole big pen and coop when we get the other part. But I'm just trying to decide if we want to move this pen. If we do move it, we'll probably have to cut some of these limbs back. Like this one, I thought it was broken the other day where the kids have been out here playing, but it's not broken. It just is growing all the way down to the ground. So we'll definitely have to cut that one and the one up above it if we spread the coop out this way. But the kids love to play right here at this tree, so I'm thinking we'll go the other way and we won't have to, you know, which we might still need to cut this limb down since it's going down to the ground, but I think it'll be better just to add the new part on over here. But when we add this other part, since we are just gonna connect it to this pin, we won't be moving it anymore because we normally move the pin every few months. We'll move it to a different spot. But yeah, this is a nice little shade tree.
Do you want to come up to my tree house?
Oh yeah, I'll come up to your tree house. Let me see if I can. Oh, I think I'm too big. We've been looking for a tree to put a tree house in. That should be our summer project, a tree house.
You want to get Sissy's tree house in the woods?
Yeah, oh, you're talking about the twisty trees?
Yeah.
Is that what she calls her tree house?
Yeah.
My daddy built us a 2-story tree house when we were little, and this was before Tree House Masters. He was the Tree House Master before the Tree House Masters. I'm not sure why he built a 2-story one, but he did. Like the bottom of the tree house was pretty much at the bottom of the tree. We'll use this tree for an example. The bottom floor was about to right here on the tree. There were just some steps to walk up in it. So it was kind of like a clubhouse. And then when you went into that part, he had some kind of like a ladder steps on the tree that you climbed up to get to the actual tree house part that was up at the top. We pretty much lived out there in the summer. So it's about 10:30 now, I think. The kids are watching their lessons, so they didn't need my help. So we came on out here to let the chickens out because later this afternoon, we're gonna go to town. I gotta go to Tractor Supply because I didn't stop by there, you know, whatever day that was, Saturday. So we're gonna go in there, and I'm gonna run into Walmart real quick. Oh, you got the eggs? Thank you, sir. No turkey egg yet?
Look at these mushrooms.
Oh, I see those mushrooms. That's a lot of them, isn't it?
Yeah. Let me see I can point them down.
Okay. Oh, you did it.
They got white things.
Mm-hmm.
I found the limb.
Oh, yeah, you did find a limb, huh?
I need to go back up to the branch.
I don't think we can put it back on. Trying to talk Titus into clearing out a big spot over here and putting some goats. He's not for it yet, but we'll keep trying, taking the goats on the roof a few more times. Still nothing new with the trash bandit. I'm gonna be putting up that trail cam every night though. We're gonna catch it. Next time it comes back, we will catch it. Here we are going into Walmart, and it is very busy.
Hey, look at those.
Angelica, girl, what you doing coming back? Is Rugrats coming back, y'all? Who we got back here? Powerpuff Girls? What? Snoopy? Snoopy upside down? Looney Tunes? Tom and Jerry? What do we got back here?
What do we got down here?
That sunshine thing everybody used to wear.
That one.
Very busy doing nothing. Mushrooms. Sweet, southern, and sassy. We're looking at the sunglasses. I lost mine the other day, but then I found them. I think they're a little too large. These are kind of cute with the flowers around the rim. They're putting out all the summer things, y'all. You know what that means. It's almost summer break. Pineapple popsicle molds. Beach and pool towel clips. Hold towel securely to beach chair or lounger. These are some really cute pajamas, y'all. These orange and pink ones are really cute. The color of them is peach cobbler. I don't know if it says it on here, but it says it online. A lot of y'all have been asking about the country ham that we get from Ingles. They have it at Walmart. Well, they have this big ham, but it's the same thing. It's a country ham. Oh, here might be some smaller ones. Yeah, this is a little smaller. Okay, so I saw this on the website the other day, y'all. It is creamy ranch, whipped dip and dressing. They have creamy ranch and blue cheese if you want to do that. Hey, they have a peanut butter chocolate chip. They have some strawberry lemonade cereal here. Anybody tried that? Part of a healthy sleep routine. Blueberry Midnight and Honey Moon Glow cereal. Okay, up next, the Outshine bars. Oh, they have the peach ones. Alright, y'all, we are back home. Tyler just ended up running into the feed store for me real quick to get the shavings so we didn't have to go to Tractor Supply. Here's what we got from Walmart. We got some french fries, corn on the cob, and chicken. Tonight we're gonna have barbecue chicken. I'm gonna use that peach barbecue sauce that we got from the Goats on the Roof the other day. I'm not gonna put it, you know, everybody's just gonna be able to choose what kind of barbecue sauce they want to put though. I have that Texas kind that we got from Aldi, or the peach kind, because I know everybody won't want the peach. But we're gonna have the chicken, corn on the cob, french fries, and salads tonight. We needed some of the vanilla coconut milk for the refreshers because we got the peach, white cranberry peach juice from Aldi yesterday, so we can make some peach ones. We were out of ketchup and I forgot to get it at Aldi yesterday. They normally have Heinz, I just forgot. The Sunbelt Bakery granola bars, they are great. These are our favorite, the oat and honey, and we also got these peanut butter chocolate chip ones. I got some dish detergent and sugar scrub in the Cocoa Colada scent. Y'all, this smells like summer. And we got these Outshine bars. We got the peach. I'm excited about those. The coconut and pineapple. We haven't tried the pineapple or the peach yet. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cook supper for this chicken tonight. I'm just putting salt and pepper on it. We've got some oil heating up over here in this pan. So what we're gonna do is just cook the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Then I'm gonna put it on a pan and put it in the oven to finish cooking the rest of the way. And when we get the chicken in the oven, then we'll make the fries and the corn. Oh, you know what? I think the kids wanted some macaroni and cheese. I forgot. I'll make a couple of boxes of macaroni and cheese for them too. Okay, so here are the barbecue sauces. Zesty Peach Barbecue. This is the one we got from Goats on the Roof. And Texas barbecue sauce. We got this from Aldi. It says it's sweet and smoky. Yeah, this one doesn't describe its flavor. I'm gonna try the peach. Well, I'll try a little bit of both so we can tell y'all how they are, but I'm probably gonna have the peach one on mine. I mean, if it's good, it's good. When none of your aprons are clean, you just do this. That's what you do. You just take one of your tea towels. Oh, tuck it in your shirt. Get some turkey twine. We call this turkey twine. You know, it's just to tie up the, you know, tie it around your waist. Boom, you got an apron. I knew I should have thrown my aprons in the washing machine this morning. Okay, I'm gonna get the pot going for the corn over here. Fancy. Ooh, that pot didn't want to come out of there. I messed my apron up. We'll go ahead and sit Butter Boy out so he can be getting ready to butter the corn. I made it too small whenever I cut the butter too small. It needed to be a little bigger so it would stay in there better, but other than that, he works great. It was error on my part. We hit 89, did y'all see that? Do y'all want french fries or just chicken and macaroni and corn? I mean, this is fun. Like, this works. Did I set a timer for this? No, I did not. So let me set one real quick. We were gonna smoke some leg quarters and we forgot all about that this past weekend because that's what we were gonna do when we first got this peach salsa. I mean, why do I keep wanting to call it peach salsa? Peach barbecue sauce. We were gonna smoke some leg quarters out on the smoker and put that, I almost said salsa again, sauce, barbecue sauce. we were gonna put that on it, and what I wanted to do was also grill some peaches, but you can't find peaches anywhere right now. But yeah, we forgot all about it over the weekend. Chicken is done, corn is done, fries are almost done. Nothing fancy here tonight. Making this macaroni and cheese, and we are almost ready to eat. Okay, y'all, we are finished eating. Both of these are very good. Actually, they're both great. That's what they are. This one is a little more great than this one, I think. I mean, it's just, the peach, it's not overly peachy at all. Like, you almost, if you didn't know there was peach in there, I don't think you would even be able to tell that it was a peach barbecue sauce. It is wonderful. This one is more of a sweet sauce, and then this one is tangy, which is weird because this says sweet and smoky. It seems more tangy to me than sweet, but it is really good still. It's great. So if you see this at Aldi, it's a yes, it's wonderful. This we got from Goats on the Roof, but if you live anywhere in like Georgia or the Carolinas, I'm pretty sure you would be able to find this at, you know, some of those old country stores or something like that. So if you find it somewhere and wonder if it's good, yes, it is great.